so welcome back. So like I said, we will be reviewing this unit from ReadyWigs. Like I said before, I filmed this before all of the chaos happened. So this is my second time trying to review this because I did accidentally delete the video that I recorded and then all that foolishness happened. So this is the packaging it comes in. Please don't mind my messed up box, but this is the packaging that it comes in. I think it's super cute because the box is matte, but the words are like shiny. If you can see that, I think that's super, super cute. And I always keep my boxes because it keeps the longevity of my wig. Like it makes my wigs last longer when I just take them off and put them back in the box instead of just taking them off and throwing them over there with the rest of the wigs. But y'all, this is how the wig comes. Inside the box, it says ReadyWigs. It says, I love we met and I hope you enjoy your hair. www.readywig.com. I think that's a cute little note from them. And like I said, she is a yaki textured unit. This is her here. Super, super, super good quality. And usually when I get units like this, they're sent to me like this. They're like human hair wigs. The only reason I say that is because this wig, this synthetic wig had like a full frontal on the wig. So I was really impressed when I first opened it. But she does come with 2 combs at the temple. She comes with 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. She is on a stretchy cap, so she is going to be any size head friendly. She does have that lace parting in the front, and you get a lot of parting space here in the middle, and it tapers off towards the sides, which is fine because, you know, if I like a side part, I'll just shift that baby and make that part on the side or whatever. But the texture on this hair is so good. Like, I don't know if you can see the texture. It's like not thin, it's not thick, it's just the right amount of density. So as you can see, I already cut the lace off. Like I said, I did film this video before and I accidentally, like, I don't know what happened. I was just editing and I don't know, I deleted it. But let's just throw this baby on and we're gonna get her styled together. So yes, stay tuned. Show you the length of her really quick. This is all the hair to the front. Look how simple this is. Like when I put this wig on the first time, I was like, y'all, this wig is so simple. She's so simple. The like I wish you could touch the texture on this wig. Like it is amazing. And the length, y'all know I'm team too much. I'm team extra. So the length is not bothering me. I actually love the length. Let me step back so you can see. So super cute. Like the length is everything to me. So if you're not into long hair, baby, this unit may not be for you, but y'all are gonna trip out when I tell you how much this wig costs. I don't even need to do baby hair. Like that's how good this unit lays. The lace on it, like I said, the lace on it, I felt like I was opening a human hair wig when I got it. I was like, did they send me human hair? Like it feels so good. The only thing that made me remember that it was synthetic hair is the crimps that come in it. I don't know if you can see it, but she does have like those synthetic crimps that come in like synthetic hair, but it's not very noticeable. I don't want to run any heat on her because I don't want to manipulate the texture because like I said, this hair feels so good. Like it feels so good. She's so easy. She's so simple. Like the texture, like if I wear her, I feel like people will think this is like some human hair. Let me fix my mirror really quick, y'all. Okay, let's see if I can do a little bit of baby hair. Just if you hear those dogs outside, my neighbors have like 18,000 chihuahuas. So I'm sorry. Okay, y'all. So I did a little bit of baby hair. I did put powder, a little bit of powder like underneath the cap just to give it a little bit more of a realistic feel. You see how far that parting goes back. Like the parting area on this wig, you get some good parting. And like I said, it tapers off on the sides. But if you're wanting like a deep side part, you could just shift that baby and y'all, she's it. So I don't really have too much more to say about this wig. Like for the price, for the texture, for the length, like the frontal that you get on this synthetic unit, y'all, I don't think you can go wrong with her. I'm gonna wear her for a couple of days, like wear her a couple of days straight, and I'm gonna do an update on her just to see, because I feel like she's gonna last a long time, even though she's synthetic. We know synthetic wigs are not gonna last forever, but I feel like this, you could get your wear out of this wig. Like, it's so super cute. Like, I just love it. I love it. I knew from the first time when I opened her that I was gonna love her. And look how she just lays, like, very, very minimal work. If you're a beginner, this wig is for you. If you're like a pro, and y'all, this wig is just for everybody. I just love her. I don't know what else to say about her, but I know my best friend is probably gonna like want her, but she's not gonna get her. But yes, so thank you guys for watching. If you've made it all the way to the end of the video and you still haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up so I can get back in the rotation of YouTube. You guys, I've been off for a while, but I'm back. I'm in my new home, and so we're gonna get it popping with these wigs. I wish you could see all the wigs that were still being delivered to me. They're like stacked up. So if you see this shirt again, you know I'm in here working. But yeah, until next time, peace.